Hello people from all over the world, welcome to this channel, and today we are going to learn more about people and their nationalities in Kirundi. Today we are going to learn more about people and their nationalities in Kirundi. Okay, so first of all, let's start by mine because I'm a Burundian. All right, Burundian. A Burundian is Umurundi. Okay, Umurundi. When is a man, is called Umurundi. When is a woman, is called Umurundi Kazi. So you add Kazi when she is a woman. Okay, a Burundian woman or Burundian lady is Umurundi Kazi. You add Kazi. Okay, let's talk about Abarundi. Abarundi, you just say Abarundi is Burundians, okay? It's just plural of Burundians or Burundi. I mean Burundian. But when we talk about Burundians, here we are talking about Abarundi. Abarundi, okay? Okay, Abarundi. So when there are Burundian women, we call them Abarundi Kazi. Okay, Abarundi Kazi. Let's talk about American. An American in Kirundi is Umunya America. Umunya America. Umunya America. When she's an American woman, so there you add Kazi. Okay. What you are going to learn here, you add Kazi when you mean a woman. Umunya America Kazi to mean a woman, an American woman. Okay. Let's talk about German. German in Kirundi is Umudagi. Umudagi. Belgian is Umubirigi. 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 Canadian is Umunya-Canada. Umunya-Canada. Okay, when she's a woman, you add Kazi. Umunya-Canada Kazi. Okay. Rwandan, she is Umunyarwanda. 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 Okay, Rwandan, Umunyarwanda. Congolese is Umunye-Congo. Umunye-Congo. But for informal, they just call him Umukongomani. Umukongomani. Yes, this is very, very common. And it's just informal, Umukongomani. But for formal is Umunye-Congo. Egyptian in Kirundi is Umunye-Giputa. 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 And English from England is Umwongereza. 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 A Chinese is Umushinwa. A Japanese is Umuyapani. A French from France is Umufaransa. A Greek is Umugiriki. Okay? Umugiriki. An Ethiopian is Umunyethiopia. An Indian is Umuhindi. Okay? An Italian is Umutariano. A Kenyan is Umukenya. A Kenyan, Umukenya. Ugandan is Umuganda. Tanzanian, Umutanzania. Tanzanian, Umutanzania. Nigerian is Umunigeria. A Korean, whether it's north or south, is the same. We call them Umukorea. Russian is Umurusia. Somali is Umusomali. Vietnamese is Umuvietnam. Zambian is Umuzambia. Okay. So the list is long, but for today, let's stop by here. So make sure you subscribe. In case you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. So murakoze chane, which is thank you very much. Okay, see you in the next video.